amazing. God bless you.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck. Why
Who the fuck put you on the moose, man?
Dude, Nick, that was fucking amazing.
I thought you were out.
That's the best thing I've ever seen in my life.
That was your time.
Nick, ready?
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
There's no more moose.
I just had the funniest.
It's pretty badass.
Yeah, I did know that.
No, Nick, it's pretty badass. You got the
Dude,
moose.
Eric's gonna kick her ass because
Like this face.
okay, that's better. We gotta get this thing set up because when he comes in here, if this is like that, he's like, what the fuck? You gotta get him poked up.
Nate, get on the moose. Get on it. Get on it. Seriously, get on it. Just jump on that thing, dude. Seriously, dude, get on it. Now ride that thing straight to the living room. Get on it. Get on it. With your shirt off. Nate, back it up. Back it up.
You literally
Back that moose up. Now go. Go. Straight to the middle.
Rex, you ready?
Go. Straight to the middle.
Ready?
Oh my
God. That's really bad. I should never do that in my entire life.
Why would you, Nick?
And you just did it twice.
Hop on that moose. It's fantastic. Good for you, bro.
Oh my God.
You did a great job.
I'm
Fucking great on the moose, Nick.
I'm crying.
Hop on it, boy. Hop on it. Hop on it. You better be big. Go straight to Rex. Go straight to Rex.
I'm going to die.
Go straight to Rex. Go straight to Rex.
Oh my god.
I'm done, King's employees.
Oh my god.
When you see this, you can't hold this.
Nick, take it to bed. Take it to bed.